You are floating in space, and ahead of you is the darkest thing in the universe. You can't see it. You can only see everything around it bending. And the moment you drift too close, the laws of physics stop protecting you. So what actually happens to your body when you fall into a black hole? The answer is stranger than any horror movie. Every black hole has a boundary called the event horizon. It's not a surface you can touch. It's a line in space where gravity becomes so strong that not even light can escape. Cross it, and there is no coming back. Not because you're not strong enough, but because every possible direction now points inward, forward, backward, up, down. They all lead to the center. Escape isn't hard. It's geometrically impossible. But here's the twist. When you'd start to suffer depends entirely on the size of the black hole. If you fell into a small black hole, one a few times the mass of our sun, your feet would be much closer to the center than your head. Gravity pulls harder the closer you are, so your feet would be yanked down far harder than your head. You'd be stretched, then stretched more, then pulled into a thin stream of particles. Physicists actually have a real name for this. They call it spaghettification. You would be turned into human spaghetti before you ever reached the center. Now here's what most people get wrong. If the black hole is supermassive, like the one at the center of our galaxy, millions of times the mass of the sun, you could cross the event horizon completely intact. No stretching, no pain. You might not even notice the exact moment you pass the point of no return. You'd be alive, conscious, and already doomed. And you wouldn't feel a thing. And to anyone watching you fall from a safe distance, something impossible happens. Because gravity bends time itself. They would see you slow down as you approached the edge. Slower and slower. Your image would freeze, fade to red and dim, until you appeared to hang there forever, never quite falling in. From their view, you never die. From your view, you're already gone. We can describe the edge with near-perfect math. But what lies past it, at the very center, is the one place our physics completely breaks down. We simply don't know. So here's my question for you. If crossing was painless and silent, would you take the trip just to find out what's inside? Tell me in the comments. And if you want to know what we think is really at the center of a black hole, that's the next video. Subscribe so you don't miss it.